Let's do a market update here for the greater Asheville area. I'm going to focus on Buncombe County, but most of the statistics that I'll be going over are relevant to the adjacent counties. Let's just go ahead and get started. So let's talk about average days on market, or what we're seeing as far as the trends with current inventory. We've got about 4 to 6 months of inventory. That is going from a balanced market. When you hit that 6-month time frame, that is tipping over to a buyer's market. And what I'm personally seeing every day when I get onto the MLS, many price reductions from sellers. You can call it price improvements, but honestly, they are price reductions. And that again is indicative of owners being back in thinking of 2003, 2002, thinking, oh my gosh, that limited supply, demand is high. I'm going to get a lot of money for my house. It's not like that anymore. Again, we've got that more of a balanced supply, looking at supply trending towards more houses on the market. I'm just going for the average on the market. I did not segment into luxury. I did not segment into high-end homes. So if you need the numbers for those, I'll be delighted to give those to you. Yeah, it's no longer 2023. We gotta, and it's no longer 2022. We gotta be aggressive. We gotta be priced right out the gate, or we're gonna be chasing the market. And nobody wants to chase because you end up cutting more than you need to cut just to get sold. Now, this is also interesting. Prices are trending up, which is great news. That's absolutely great news. So you still have your equity in your home. You still have a good asset in your portfolio. So that is just wonderful news that prices are trending up. Supply is at a 5-year high. So there you go, back to talking about supply and demand and pricing. Well, when you have a big supply and demand is relatively equal, price is going to get affected. And yes, I have a degree from the Ohio State University in economics. Go Bucks. One thing that's really interesting as far as pricing goes, in July of 22, again, those are COVID numbers, we were getting over 100% of asking. That was when you were seeing these bidding wars and just crazy buying. People are a little crazy. What can I say? In July of 2025, 96 to 97% of asking. And that's a healthy number. That's a healthy average. That's where we're seeing some houses trending closer to selling at full ask. And then we're seeing, I think that's a pretty good healthy number, 96 or 97% of asking. Those are what I'm looking at on a daily basis as far as what's new on the market, what's selling. And again, those price reductions. If you've got questions about a specific home, a specific segment of the market, a specific locale, please just send me a text, call me, email me. I'd love to share those with you. So thanks again. I'm Cricket with Asheville Luxury Brokers, and it's a pleasure to help you.